Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is SITI FATANAH binti SARIZAN and my ID number is 56212121 and 369.
Hi, my name is DEXTYANA and my student ID is 5621212140. Do you know marine insurance is the oldest type of insurance? It is an insurance cover for marine cargo, air cargo, and post-cargo parcels. The purpose is to protect goods against physical loss or damage during the transit. Marine insurance may be complex in nature because a lot of the accidents and the main contributor is human error. According to Roblum 2021, between 75% and 96% of maritime accidents were caused at least in part by some of human error. However, human error is the very crucial factor to take into account when it comes to complex safety critical system because it contributes significantly to overall system risk, which is according to Edward 1988. Mistakes are errors, and errors, either it's intentional or not, it can be prosecuted. Therefore, the key goal is to figure out what went wrong and what can be done to make future shipping is safer.
Next, for the understanding human error in marine insurance click. Firstly, definition and types of human error. Human error means that something has been done which was not intended by the actor, not desired by a set of rules or an external observer, or that lead the task or system outside its acceptable limits. Second, human error is merely an out of tolerant action, where the limits of tolerable performance are defined by the system. Therefore, there are generally 6 types of human error that the division should be between error and violation. This in turn can then be subdivided into skill-based, role-based, and knowledge-based error and violation. I explain briefly about the types of human error. Firstly, skill-based error. Skill-based error happen when people make blunder in tasks they have performed before. These errors are frequently caused by lapse in concentration or automaticity. For example, during routine ship navigation, a navigation officer inadvertently misinterprets a nautical marking, resulting in a tiny course deviation. This error could be the result of a brief loss in focus or distraction. Second, rule-based error. Rule-based error occur when individuals apply the improper set of rules or procedure. For instance, during a distress call, a crew member provides inaccurate coordinates to the rescue team. It is causing a delay response. Thirdly, knowledge-based error. Knowledge-based error arises when individuals lack the requisite knowledge or experience to do the task successfully. These errors are caused by misunderstanding or inadequate instruction. Next, for the skill-based violation. Skill-based violation occur when people make mistakes while performing normal tasks or action that they have done many times before. As an example, a crew member who is well-trained and skilled in managing mooring line secure a line incorrectly or wing to a brief interruption or lack of focus. For the second violation, rule-based violation occur when individuals stray from established rule, process, or protocol on purpose. Next, for the third violation, knowledge-based violation, involve individual actively disobey safety norm or regulation owing to a misunderstanding, insufficient knowledge, or personal conviction. For the next point is range of human error categories. They are commonly have 7 human error categories, include simple mistake, misunderstanding, oversight is failure to notice or address important detail or step leading to the neglect of crucial aspect or potential risk, like forgetting to lock a door or omitting critical step. Next, carelessness is the lack of attention, caution, or truthfulness in performing tasks, disregarding proper procedure, rule, or safety measure resulting in accident, mistake, or damage. Next, fatigue, stress, and gross negligence. Therefore, I have one example for case study illustrating the consequences of human error, which is marine crew data breach. Unencrypted email misfire as written in the case study below. So, I would like to explain about how encryption may become a factor in situations like this. It is because cybercriminals can put themselves between 2 emails served to intercept and read email if organizations do not use sufficient security. Sending private personal identity information across unprotected channel invite cybercriminals.
Next, we will cover differences of human error in terms of error and violations in maritime industry. The differences can be seen in 5 parts, which is the first one is definition, nature, intention, example, and the most important one is the consequences. I will gonna highlight about the definition and consequences as the previous has been covered by my fellow friends, which is SITI HAJAR. In terms of definition, error is more to unintended actions, which is relating to human factor and it is not driven by a conscious decision. Meanwhile, violation, it is intentional because it was not following the established rules, regulations, or the procedure. They involve willful non-compliance with prescribed standards of requirement. Between these two, the obvious differences is intentional or unintentional. The next one is consequences, because both of these actions have their own consequences. For the consequences of error, error normally leads to accidents, incidents, or operational inefficiencies. This is because it is unintentional mistakes or lapses happen in attention. Meanwhile, for violations, will cause a serious repercussion for safety, regulatory compliance, and even the worst is environmental impact.
For the fourth point, understanding the consequences of human error in marine insurance claims. For the first point, financial implication for insurer and insured party. Marine insurance claim can have a big financial impact of both insurer and insured party. For insurer, these claims can lead to large layout, affecting their profit and ability to provide new policy. They need to investigate each claim carefully, which take time and effort. Insured party can suffer financial loss from damage to their cargo or vessel. They may also have to pay deductible or other expenses. Claim can lead to highest insurance premium or difficulty getting future coverage. It is important for insurer and insured party to work together to minimize the impact. This means managing risk, following safety protocol, and handling claims properly and efficiently. For the next point is reputation and customer trust consideration. When it's come to reputation and customer trust in marine insurance claim, it is essential to prioritize. Firstly, transparency. Prioritize open and honest communication about the claim process to build customer confidence and trust. Second, timeliness. Thirdly, professionalism and empathy. Fourth, clear explanation. For the last one, proactive approach.
In mitigating risks associated with human error, what can be done or what the appropriate measure that we can take to combat the problem? The first one is training and education programs. For example, SDCW. SDCW stands for International Convention of Standard of Training, Certification, and Watchkeeping for Seafarer. It is mainly promote safety of life and property at sea. It also promotes the protection of marine environment by establishing in common agreement international standards of training, certification, and watchkeeping for seafarer. Next one is automations and digitalization of processes, which is mainly focused on maritime autonomous surface ships, which is MASS. The main purpose is also to increase safety, reduce cost, and increase earning potential due to operational efficiencies and reduction in vessel maintenance. Another step that can be taken to mitigate the risk of human error is implementing effective quality control measure. This mainly highlights on ISM code, which is stand for International Safety Management Code. ISM code is mainly aimed at preventing human error on board ships, which is according to Gill and Warner in 2012. The last step is creating a culture of risk awareness and accountability in terms of safety culture. In the organization, they should implement and encourage everyone to do the safety culture as a part of overall culture of a safe operation of ships.
Next, for the point 6, best practice in mitigating human error risk. Firstly, successful initiative implemented by leading marine insurer. There are several successful initiatives that leading marine insurer have implemented to improve their operation and provide better service to their client. Some of the most notable initiatives include digitalization, data analytics, and sustainability. Overall, these initiatives have helped leading marine insurers to improve their operation, better manage risk, and provide more innovative and sustainable solutions to their client. For the conclusion of human error in marine insurance claims, to summarize, the human error in maritime insurance claims can have significant financial and reputational consequences for insurer and policyholder. By identifying the root cause of human error and addressing them, insurer can significantly reduce the frequency and severity of claims caused by human error. In conclusion, mitigating human error risk in marine insurance claims requires a multifaceted approach that includes ongoing training and implementing effective risk management strategy. Last but not least, these are a few references that we have found and used under this topic. That's all from our group. Thank you, Miss Aina.